Hi guys, so I will be showing you today how to use the automatic climate control in Volkswagen and Skoda cars. Now this is a Highline, so it has the automatic climate control. The trend line and the comfort line I believe come with the normal climate control. So this is got, as you can see, this is got the airflow adjustment on the left hand side. It has got the temperature adjustment on the right hand side. So we've got all the options available right here. We've got the internal circulation button on off. We've got the AC on off. We've got the direction of the flow that you need, 4 different direction of flows, and then you've got auto. If I click auto, everything, all the adjustments will be happen automatically. I will not need to click anything. So this is how all the adjustments work in the, if you have the automatic climate control. Mainly for the this setup will be there in the Rapid, Polo, Vento is what you'll get this setup. Yeah.